Wow, 1885 was the last spike. That's crazy. It's a long time ago, even for an old guy like me. Yeah, last railroad spike. I guess they got all these little thingies going on. I don't know if you have to pay to get in here or not. Eagle Pass. Can we just go in here? Do we have to pay? Anyhow, guys, we are on the last leg heading to Revelstoke to see my daughter. I've driven past this place so many times, never stopped in. Well, today's the day. Might as well stop in and show you guys what it is. I don't know if the gift shop is ever open anymore or not, but maybe in the summertime. But yeah, I guess you can't. Come on. Huh? Here was driven the last spike. Pretty cool. I wonder if this was where the last spike was and they left this chunk of rail here. Driving of the last spike. Canadian Pacific Railway, Craigellachie, British Columbia, November 1885. Yeah, well, that was neat. It was cool to have someplace to stop at and Uma to have her little break. And yeah, I think we're less than an hour away from Revy now. So yeah, very excited to see my daughter. I think I got some packages coming. So yeah, let's go to our next stop. Here's another place I've driven past so many times too. A lot of people have put it on TikTok. Sorry, it's right by the highway. It's obviously closed for the season. But yeah, this is the place with the quirky little statues and gnomes and stuff. Yeah, you can see a little bit of it up there. Closed until May. Obviously, you guys saw the sign too. Yeah, it's too bad there's not much to see, but apparently it's like $50 to get in. I don't know if I'd pay that. But yeah, whoa, dragon. I guess that's all we can see from the parking lot. Apparently there's one of those Skytrek things, you know, those high adventure climbing things or whatever. But yeah, cool little quirky place. At least the parking lot's empty. Every time I drive past this place, it's packed. I think TikTok made this place famous with all the quirky little videos that they put out. But yeah, they made me laugh with some of the crazy sculptures that they do in this area. It looks like a child did them or whatever, but anyway. Anyhow, we're gonna continue on. Right, Uma? Are you in there? Hi, baby. What are you doing? You ready to continue on? You got nothing to say? Okay then. I forgot about this place. Three Valley Gap. Apparently there's a ghost town here. I don't know if it's a replica of a ghost town or a real ghost town or what. But it looks like it's obviously closed for the season. Here's an old railway car. Toronto, Canada. Well, I guess there's part of the apparent ghost town in there. Saloon. All that stuff down there. Yeah, quirky little spot to stop at again. And this is all like an hour in between Revelstoke and Salmon Arm. So there are many places to stop along the way and check out. But yeah, just thought I'd stop here and show the last little quirky spot before we hit Revelstoke. Damn, I haven't seen Smokey the Bear in a little while. Looks like he's lost some weight over the years or trimmed up. Smokey, what happened? Alright, Revelstoke, next stop.
Your destination is on the right.
What's going on, guys? It's mail time. Finally made it to Revelstoke. I'm at my daughter's place. Spent the weekend with them. Always great, as usual, to see them. And yeah, I ordered some stuff to be mailed here, obviously, since I have a mailing address. So finally, after 6.5 years, I have real blinds for my side windows instead of using these Reflectix things. You know, they're all dusty from years gone by. I think this is the second set that I made of these. But yeah, it's time to actually put some real ones in that are actually insulated and pulled up nicely and so on. And I got this too. I have some new solar panels coming, portable solar panels. The company has sent me. I also ordered this. I was working on it in Yuma. Guess that was a month or more ago. But I ordered a new part for the Thetford cassette toilet because everything was breaking and getting old, and the side molding had cracked on it. So hopefully this is a nice, good replacement, since it's like a Chinese knockoff kind of thing. I don't know if it's an actual Thetford product or not, but yeah, it looks mostly all the same from what I see underneath. And yeah, hopefully that'll solve my problem, because with it being broken, it had actually cracked the lid, which I'm assuming had smells coming up through the lid and so on. So yeah, we're going to replace that, and we're going to put these up and check these out. And yeah, we'll see in a bit. I guess these came with its own carrying case or whatever, which I'm probably never going to use, just because I just throw everything on the bed anyway. But yeah, it's cool to check this out. They look huge to me. Well, those definitely fit a lot nicer. Yeah, I don't think I'm ever going to use this bag, so it's just garbage and everything that I'm not going to need or want in the van. But yeah, these things fit really well. Check it out. They're all magnetic around the edges there because the door's metal. Yeah, that's a much better fit, that's for sure. Still have to deal with the front window eventually, but yeah, I like those. Nice and blacked out. Alright, well, I thought I'd come to the dump station just to empty my cassette toilet out so I could replace the lid section of it. And yeah, they make me, they're making you pay now. $5? What the hell? Whatever, it is what it is. Hopefully the water's working. But look, somebody put my sticker up there. Jokes. So yeah, I guess we gotta pay $5 to open that up and get some fresh water and switch this out. Alright, so some other Heimer owners discussed about the seal on the Chinese knockoff blade cassette thing. And yeah, I had to remove that seal that was on the new one and take the seal off the old one and put it on this one. I couldn't get it to close with the new seal. It was too thick or too big or whatever. But yeah, closed much better with the new seal, so we're back in business again. Yeah, see how this whole edge was cracked. Like, it was really hard getting the blade in there to remove the whole thing. And you could see through the hole in the space there. So yeah, it was time to replace it. But not bad, that lasted me, what, 6 years, so pretty good. Now to find propane, holy cow, not the easiest thing to do in this town. Apparently the only place just charges you straight $22 to fill up no matter how low you are. So yeah, I gotta do some searching to see if there's anything else in town. I'll be back. It looks like a mirror, holy cow. Man, I really like the look of those blackout shades. It really blacks it out. Obviously, since they're called blackout shades. But yeah, unfortunately I had to drive to Sycamoose to get propane, which is like an hour drive away. It's a beautiful drive through the mountains, but it's still an hour away. The only place in town that I was talking about earlier, their propane, their RV fill was broken or something. They were trying to get a guy in. I called. No, they hadn't got it fixed yet, so I needed propane. I kind of had no choice in the matter. So yeah, had a great week with my daughter and Carson and hanging out, and Rosa and Uma got to play a ton. They really love each other. They're like long-lost sisters. As much as Rosa's a medium-sized dog, she can keep up with Uma, that's for sure. But yeah, we were heading out for a couple days. I'm coming back in June. I think I mentioned that. They're going to the Grand Canyon, rafting the Grand Canyon. So I'm coming back here to look after Rosa. So I'm just going to kind of tour around the mainland area. And yeah, I think we're just going to Begbie Falls for the weekend for now, which is just like 15 minutes south of here. One of the places I've been to many times already. So yeah, I think that's it for this week. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please do. And we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.